prawn masala is ready, and you can serve it to your friends and your family and your guests, and they will love it and they will ask you for more. Hello friends, welcome to Zain's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a very tasty dish for you. This is called prawn masala. So for this we need some king prawns. I've got some king prawns here, which I have soaked in water and vinegar for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the smell goes away. And then we need one medium size onions cut into small pieces, and two small green chilies, one medium tomato cut into small pieces, and we need ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoonful of ginger paste and 1 teaspoonful of garlic paste. And then we need some capsicum, and this is the red chili powder. It's a Kashmiri chili powder, not very strong. And this is the smoked paprika. If you don't have smoked paprika, use plain paprika. It's 1 spoon. The chili is about half a spoon. 1 teaspoonful of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And then you need about half a teaspoon of cumin seeds whole, and then about half a teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And then you need a little bit of pickled, this is optional, pickled lemon. If you need it, you can use it, otherwise don't use it. We need a little bit of, it's a whipped yogurt, and a little bit of tomato puree, tomato paste, and some green coriander. It's called cilantro. Okay, these are all the ingredients that we need. Now I'm going to show you how to prepare it. Okay, this is how we prepare it. First you need a fry pan, and then put some oil on it. This is olive oil. It's virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you like. And then in this, let it warm a little bit, and then you need to cook the prawn until all the water is evaporated. Now you put the prawns in it, and keep stirring. The prawn will release some water, and then after that try to get rid of the water. Okay, like this. Now remember to cook it on full flame. The prawn has released its water, and now I'm drying its water. Now its water is almost dry, so I'm going to put in the ginger garlic paste. This is the ginger garlic paste. I'm going to put this in there. Now give it a good stir for about half a minute, and then add onions to it. Make sure don't burn the garlic, ginger garlic paste. Now I'm going to add the onions to it. Now stir the onion until it's sauteed, and then you can add the tomatoes. Okay, we'll come back in a minute. make sure you use full flame. Right? Now the tomato, the onions are sorted. Now I'm going to put in the tomato. This is the tomato. And you need to dry the tomato as well on high fire. Okay, until the tomato is dried, I'll turn off my video and come back later. Okay, now I'm going to put in the green chilies and the capsicum as well. Okay, now I'm going to put in all the spices. First I'm going to put in the salt. And then I'm going to put in the smoked paprika, red chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander seed powder. So, and also whole cumin seeds. Okay, now stir them nicely. Now I'm going to put in a little bit of water in it because I don't want it to burn. Just a little bit. That's it. Okay. And I'm going to put in the this is the whipped yogurt, so I'm going to put in the yogurt now. Okay. Give it a good stir. Smells very nice, lovely. Now I'm going to put in some green coriander. It's almost ready now. Okay, and let me mix it first. Okay, and then I have here, this is fenugreek. Dried fenugreek, so I'm going to squeeze it in my hand and put it on top of it, and that's it, and turn off the fire. And if you want, you can put in the lemon. I will just put in the lemon. It's not required, but if you want, you can have a bit good taste with the lemon on top of it. So this is ready now, so I'm going to dish it out and then show it to you. Okay, I've dished it out. The prawn masala is ready, and you can serve it to your friends and your family and your guests, and they will love it, and they will ask you for more. So please subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.